right in front of his home crowd and family. There he goes again.
That's huge. That's on the roof. That is miles up there.
It's left the stadium. Andrew Caddick, brand new ball, has just been put out of Jade Stadium. I've never seen anything like this in my life. The cameraman must be absolutely going giddy trying to follow this.
Interesting that nobody is back in the mid-off area. England with a more orthodox field. And so Astor's just going to advance and just nail anything. 6 more. Oh.
Well, the sound of this is shotgun stuff. Charging. Hussain has left it open. Astor says, I'll just have it. Top of the bounce. Momentum into the stroke. That is... What is that? In 83, 84.
Oh, hello! What a shot into the combox! A massive blow! 3 sixes in a row by Nathan Astor off Andrew Caddick, England's premier strike bowler. This is the most extraordinary display of hitting of a cricket ball that I think I've ever seen.
That the world has ever seen. This has climbed over where we sit, over the commentary box. Nothing wrong with the delivery. It is just the most pure, perfect exhibition of hitting of all time.